Is Monad's run-up, the big pump, finally happening right now as we speak? What is up, crypto community, Monad community? How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a beautiful day. It is currently December 4th, and it's 6:55 in the morning. So yes, this video is coming out bright and early. Well, recording bright and early. I don't know exactly what time this video is going to go live. So that's why you should come on through, subscribe, click that notification bell. Go follow me on all social media accounts, Twitter, Telegram, and all the official links will be down below in the description. Don't fall for any scams. Right now, Monad, well, a few hours ago, I should say, did have another little run up. I had a comment yesterday night where it said this guy or girl, I don't really know because of the username. They mentioned on the comment saying you were wrong. They didn't mean it in a bad way. They were saying that I was wrong because I called Monad price dropping to a certain level, and it didn't do that. It went actually up. Let me show you the chart. So whenever this crossed right here, I think we were like somewhere over here. I don't remember exactly, but I said we were gonna drop down to my first support zone. And we didn't even get close. I was calling 2.6 was going to be the first support zone. And again, this is a 1 hour chart, so it's very volatile. And well, every 1 hour chart is volatile, but it's like super volatile, inaccurate in a way. Hopefully you understand. Like, it just takes one or two candlesticks to change everything in the 1 hour chart, and that's really all we can do right now because of how early Monad actually is. So I'm just going based on the 1 hour, but things really do change very fast in the 1 hour chart. But think about this. Do you rather me be wrong about me saying that we're gonna drop or that we're gonna go up? Let's pause the video for just a split second. Have you claimed your free Bitcoin on Betfury yet? If you haven't, do so right now. This is free Bitcoin claimable every single day. Don't let any Bitcoin slide. I don't see why you wouldn't want to create a free account and claim some free BTC from the box that they give you. Check out betfury.io. The link for it will be down below in the description. Once you create your account, it will ask you for a promo code, or you can just use the link specific to the description down below. That promo code is going to be claim BTC, and you will instantly be able to have access to so many rewards, as well as the main one being Bitcoin. Trust me, you want me to be wrong that I am saying the price is going to drop, because that means we're going to have a run up. Well, in a way, yes, this went right back up, but look what's happening right now. We are trying to break the yellow resistance line at about 3.5 cents. So 3.3 to 3.5, give or take. It doesn't have to be perfect, but 3 to 3.5 cents is where it is struggling to break right now in the very short term. And then once it barely got to that yellow line, it got rejected, and we're coming right back down. Then you're seeing this turning bearish again. So I'm going to say this again for the video. I think we are going to go right back down for a short time period, at least back to these levels of around 2.8. I think that's 2.8. Where's my, yeah, 2.8162. That's where I'm thinking it's heading to. It looks like it's going to turn bearish in the 1 hour candlestick. So literally like in less than 24 hours, we could be looking at this price range of 2.75 to 2.8. So if you want a DCA, that's your price range right there in case you want to. So yeah, I was wrong, but at the same time, it's very, very volatile on them 1 hour charts. So be aware. I want you to be ready. But still, like this right here looks so good. I want to draw this line right here. Seems to be something we might end up like doing. Maybe. I'm gonna draw that there for now. But one little break to the downside down here, and we could just negate this trend line right here. But I'm gonna keep it there for now. I'm actually gonna change it a different color just in case. I'm gonna keep it like a bluish type of color. But by the looks of it, we may break under just because of this 1334 about to turn bearish. But yeah. hey, that's perfectly fine by me. The small little run up is starting. The pump looks like it's here in a micro macro scale in a way. Like, I know it sounds so confusing, but like in the micro 1 hour chart, you can see, like, in the wide range, you can see it starting to do this. You know, it's that starting to do that little pattern. But what's amazing about this, fun facts about Monad. Right now, we are sitting at 132 placement on CoinMarketCap, which, by the way, I am the content creator, publisher, whatever, partnered up with CoinMarketCap. So if you want to go follow me on CoinMarketCap, go ahead and do so, man. It would be a lot of fun. Just search up Crypto Audit King and I will be right there. But man, these numbers are no joke. 132 placement on CoinMarketCap. I don't see why we wouldn't see top 20, minimum top 20. Okay, and I'm not saying tomorrow. I'm not saying 2 weeks from now. I'm saying it's going to take time, maybe a year or two, couple more years, I don't know, but I feel like it's still going to happen either way. A market cap of $322.75 million. I've said this before. I think the minimum market cap is going to be about $2 to $4 billion. So around a 10x, give or take, from where we are sitting at right now. There is a 24-hour trading volume of $270 to $305 million. Not many people or projects, blockchains, L1s, L2s, L59s, 69s. I know people are probably going to, trust me, I'm just messing around. But these blockchains and tokens struggle to even break 10 million sometimes a day. But Monad, I know there's many other tokens as well that can do it. Trust me, I'm going to have a list of some people saying, but this does this, this does that. I get that. But I'm just giving you facts that $270 to $305 million of traded, reported volume is happening. Okay, so that's really good and bullish long term. It means people are using it. People are finally starting, not finally. I need to watch what I say. So people are like engaging as much as possible. That's what it takes to be a good project. That's what it takes to be successful in the long term. Users, volume, and of course the token price, as well as the token quantity and how much there is circulating supply, burning, so on and so forth. So right now, looking very good. The distribution, some people did have some questions about the whole entire Coinbase token sale. There was 7.5 billion Monad, 7.5% of the initial supply. It was available to the public sale. 3.3 billion, which is about 3.3%, were claimed in the airdrop. A large allocation goes to the ecosystem, the dev, treasury, and documented in the official tokenomics that they officially put out. Centralization concerns reporting and community threads note that only 10% of the supply is initially accessible to retail, while 50% of the allocated is to investors, team, and treasury, which did have some backlash as well as some debate. But really, there's a bunch of tokens out there that are way worse and have terrible tokenomics and mechanics integrated into this. Monad official account, 1.3 million followers. All it takes is just, think about this. All it takes is some really good bullish tweets, and them 1.3 million followers will be able to get them alerts and start thriving and getting that community back together, pushing that Monad price back up. So don't forget, social media is a very powerful tool. There are almost 1 million community members as well, from what I'm seeing as well on Discord. Reddit also, they also have a Reddit community pages that are very active and they always interact and engage on everything. There's a high momentum for Monad, so don't let this be a sleeper. Once you start accumulating, you might not be able to stop, so be aware of that. Just know anything could happen. You know, we could go to 1 cent real quick. We could go to 10 cents real quick. Some of you comments down below were saying that you do see around 13, multiple people actually were commenting down below on the videos saying that they were seeing a 13-cent price target first in the beginning of 2026. So let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I'm willing to hear everybody out. I respect your decision. Respect my decision as well. So very bullish outcome so far for Monad. I would love for you to come on through on Telegram, Twitter. My official private group is also available for those that want to come on through and join up. You can join on Twitter or on YouTube. The join button is going to be down below. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be seeing you tomorrow in the next YouTube video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.